Hi, my name is Marcelino, and now I will discuss to you what is farming and fishing are and how they work. In my video, I will try to create awareness among the internet user about the trends of online identification type know this farming. I will explain how it works and steps that can be taken to prevent it from happening. It will also show the differentiation between farming and fishing. Let's begin by explaining what is farming and how it works. Farming is internet scamming practice which malicious code installed on a personal computer or server misdirecting users to fraudulent website without their knowledge or consent. Farming is being called phishing without a lure. Here is a simple analogy to illustrate how farming works. Imagine that whenever you go to the bank, you pick your phone directory and look for the bank address. Once you have the bank address, you then make on move to the bank. In farming, a simple way to attack this can do by replacing the phone book what they decorated. Now, when you pick up the phone book, you bank address it will actually give the wrong address. At this wrong address, the attackers will set up a fake bank that look just like your bank. When you do business with this fake bank, you will give up your sensitive bank account information. However, you never realize that you were a fake bank since you trust the address that you got from what you thought was a legitimate telephone phone book. A large number of users can be victimized because it's not necessary to target users one by one. Farming can actually direct a large number of users to the fake bank. Now, let's look at the scenario in a technical term. First of all, let's replace the phone book with a domain name system or a DNS server, and the bank's address is an internet protocol or IP address. The bank will actually be a legitimate website. In this case, it's www.nice.com. A DNS server is placed where it stores all the IP address of the various websites. If using various techniques, the attackers will change the IP address of the legitimate website in the DNS server to IP address, which will bring the user to the fake bogus website. When users want to go to www.nice.com and types the address in the web browser, the user's computer queries the DNS server for the IP address of www.nice.com. Since the DNS server has been already poisoned by the attacker, it turns the IP address of the fake website to the user's computer. The computer users is tricked into thinking that the poisoned reply is the correct IP address of the website instead of going to the original website. The user has now been fooled visiting the fake website trolled by the attacker. Once the attacker has managed to get the user to visit the fake website, there are many ways in which the user can be tricked into revealing his own or her credential or giving out the personal information. The beauty, or let's say the info of farming over phishing, is evident from the fact that one successful attempt in poisoning the DNS server can be potentially to treat all the users of the DNS service. That's all. And the second is phishing. Phishing is a dangerous internet scam in an attempt to get the personal and financial information from an unsuspecting person. How phishing works. Typically, a text with a fake bank customer sending by a genuine looking email message supposedly for well-known and trust with your website. An example website include PayPal, eBay, Yahoo, and etc. The email will containing a link whereby the user or the victim are asked to pick the link in order to access the account and update their information. If the victim clicks the link, however, they will be taken to a spoof web page or asked for the personal information including credit card, personal identification, social security numbers, banking numbers, or even passwords. This information is then used to identify for theft. And that's what our farming and phishing all about. Thank you for watching.